King's court, Tenali Raman, courtier 1 and courtier 2 are waiting for the king. There is a sound of trumpets and drum. King walk in and all the courtiers stand up. Tenali Raman and courtiers.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
The king.
Good morning. Where are my ministers today? I will discuss the new road project with them.
Courtier 2.
Your Majesty, a great sadhu is in our kingdom this day. The ministers are at that sadhu's camp.
The king.
A sadhu? A great sadhu? Who is this sadhu? I don't know about this sadhu. Do you something, Raman?
Raman.
Your Majesty, I heard about this sadhu. He comes for Himalayas. He can produce coins, foliage and fruits from the air.
Courtier 1.
And there is a long queue of people in front of his tent every day. They offered him gold coins, grains, clothes and vegetables.
Courtier 2.
He can cure any illness by puja, but you need to pay him a big sum for that.
The king.
Interesting. I want to know more about this sadhu, but you go now. I will discuss this sadhu with Raman only.
The courtiers leave. The king.
Raman, what do you think? This is a real sadhu? Good sadhu never charge money for their service. We need to keep both their service.
Raman.
Yes, Your Majesty, I do feel something is wrong.
Raman, you go sadhu's camp and know more about this sadhu.
Raman.
Certainly, sir.
Scene 2. The village. A sadhu with a long beard and saffron kurta is sitting on platform under a tree. His eyes are closed. Some people are waiting for him to open his eyes and bless them. Tenali Raman enters and stands among the people. Villager 1.
Silence. Look there. The great saint is opening his divine eye.
Every bows to the sadhu. Villager 2.
Your Holiness, please accept this sack of rice. Advise me how I can become rich me.
The sadhu makes a sing his assistant. The assistant takes away to the sack. Sadhu.
My dear child, I please with your gift. You don't worry, I definitely make you rich. We need to perform a puja at your home.
Villager 2.
Thank you, Your Holiness. I am so lucky. Please tell me what I need to do.
Sadhu.
I need only 2 gold coins for the puja.
Villager 2.
It's all right. I will give you 2 gold coins.
Sadhu.
बच्चा तेरा कल्याण होगा लक्षाधिपति भव.
The villager takes out 2 gold coins and gives to the sadhu. Raman is watching this carefully. The sadhu puts the coins into his pocket and blesses them. Villager. Raman pushes the crowd aside and rushes to the sadhu. He falls at his feet. Raman.
Your Holiness, you are the greatest saint in the world. Please bless me.
Sadhu.
Get up, my child. Tell me your problem.
Raman.
My Lord, I have everything in my life. I have a big house, a lot of money, and a happy family. But do something so that I can go to heaven after my death.
Sadhu.
It's very easy for me. Come here.
Sadhu goes very near the sadhu. Suddenly he plucks out a hair from the sadhu's beard. Sadhu.
Ah, ouch.
He holds the hair up proudly and addresses the crowd. Raman.
I am the luckiest man in the world. I have a magical hair. This hair will be take us directly to heaven. He is very, very holy. He is very, very holy man. Every hair of his beard, free ticket to heaven.
Villager 2.
I also want to go to heaven rather than become in this world. Your Holiness, allow me to pluck the hair.
The sadhu protests a lot, but the villager plucks a hair. He again makes a cry of pain. Villager 3.
One for me too.
People crowd around the sadhu and scream loudly. Raman.
My Lord, please do not say no to your followers. Give them a key to heaven.
The sadhu tries to escape. He falls down. People run after him. The fake sadhu runs for his life. People chase him. Raman.
So that is truth about this sadhu. He only wanted your money and gifts. We can be rich by working hard. We need not give our earning sadhus like this.
Villager 2.
Oh, my 2 gold coins.
Raman.
Don't worry, the king's man will arrest him. And don't worry, the king's man will arrest him. Everyone will get his money back.
Raman goes back to the court.
નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, આપણે આવા ઢોંગી સાધુઓથી સાવધાન રહેવું જોઈએ. આપણે આવા સાધુઓથી સાવધાન અને સચેત રહી આપણા પરિવારને પણ આવા સાધુઓના અંધવિશ્વાસથી દૂર રાખવા જોઈએ. અસ્તુ. જય હિન્દ, જય ભારત.